Mi gente, I'm telling you guys, it's capacitor season. So right now, I double checked that the capacitor is bad. I always like to double check myself. I did put a new capacitor, you guys can see over here. It's 45/5. That's exactly what this is rated for. So let's see if it works. Yo, we got fucking power, baby. That's right. That's money, papa, money. Listen, that's music to my ears, and that sounds like dollar signs coming down. It's raining, baby. So listen, that's why it's worth investing in the proper tools. This little tool right here, worth $1 million. And let me tell you something, and what I have in here, which is the best tool, is the experience and the knowledge I have. So guys, if you want to be in the HVAC industry, this is what you need to do. You need to follow the Boiler Man, Louis the Boiler Man, at YouTube. Look at my videos, look at Instagram, but also you need to go to school and listen, get that knowledge up, baby. Knowledge is power, knowledge is money. Woo!